Children, let me continue. Already we have seen the page number 100 vocabulary after completing the lessons. So, we already make compound words. The 10 words we made. From the 10 word we are filling the blanks. So, the 8th one already I gave, 9th one. With the teamwork we are able to multiply our output. After the work we are getting the result, no. That is known as what? Output. And the last one is, the room was looking bright with the colorful wallpaper. I think you got an idea of vocabulary part. Grammar part, you no need to worry about grammar. Almost all the parents and children are getting doubts in the grammar. Let us clear during the class times. If you are completing the lessons, there is no work for us. Only thing you have to revise. I have to make you to revise, and at the same time I should teach the grammar side by side. Okay. So, as per the schedule, how many lessons? First unit is over, second unit is over, third unit also, one more non-detail I will be going to take now, and attic, fourth lesson I took. Only 2 more lessons. If I complete this, our September portions will be over. So, we have to go for revisions only. So, certainly we will do that. In the meantime, children, better learn the question and answers. Apart from grammar, other things you should be ready. Clear? Then prefix and suffix. Prefix and suffix together known as affixes. Prefix, suffix, affixes. That is, we are arranging the words. Suppose a word is given to you, a phrase is given to you, you have to write the words in front or at the back. By writing the word in front and back, you are making a meaningful word. This is known as what? Prefix and suffix. If you are writing the word in front, it is prefix. If you are writing the word at the back, that is suffix. Let us see the example here. Accurate. What's the word given here? Accurate. So, accurate. Accurate means what? Exactly. So, you itself can say inaccurate. It is prefix. Why it is prefix? Because we are adding a word in front. If the word is added in front, it is prefix. If the word is added at the back, that is suffix. Okay. Next one. Understand. What you will say for this? We used to say misunderstand. This one also what? Prefix. The third one is practice. Practice. Practiced, that won't be proper sentence. We should make a noun. So, malpractice. Malpractice. That is doing some illegal activities during the exam time is known as what? Malpractice. Next one, technology. Biotechnology. And next one is fashion. Let me write there. Fashion. So, all the things are what? Prefix only. Inaccurate, misunderstand, malpractice, biotechnology. Now, fashion. Fashionable. This is what? Suffix. Different. Indifferent. This one again suffix. Child. Childhood. What it is? Suffix. National. Nationality. This is also suffix. Origin. Originate. This is suffix. And enjoy, enjoyable, enjoyment. Now children, you got the idea of suffix and prefix and suffix. Then next one, frame the sentences of your own using 5 newly formed words by using this. For example, you can write your own words. So for example, first one is what I said. Enjoyable, we are making up. The picnic is enjoyable. Okay, originate, the plants are originate from the earth. So like that we can write. By making a new words, we can write of your own any 5. Okay, fill in the blanks by adding appropriate prefix and suffix to the given in the brackets. By using the bracket word, either you can convert them into prefix or suffix. He was sleeping dash in his coach. So what's the word given there? Comfort. Comfort. So we can write comfortable. So we are sleeping comfortably. First one, G answers I am writing here. He was sleeping comfortably. What is given in the bracket? Comfortable. Comfort. So we have to write comfortably. Next one, Kavya writes a bicycle. Kavya writes dash to school. Cycle. What should be there? Bicycle. Used to come by cycle? No, bicycle. So you have to write, I ride to school by, I ride a bicycle to my school. Like that you can make your sentence. There was only dash of people in the theatre. Only limited people. What's the bracket word? An. So we have to write an full. That is countable. Usually you can say how many people are sitting in the theatre. It is dash to cut sandalwood trees. Legal. Legal means permitted by law. That is illegal. Not permitted by law. Only one L. Illegal. I-L. Illegal. The dash of the president has been expected for the last half an hour. Arrival. The arrival of. Next one, the man behaved abnormally. Abnormally. Normal means nobody will talk about us. You have to behave abnormally. Swati had no dash of visiting the doctor. Intention. Intention, idea. Intention. The bacteria are small, so small that you need dash to see them. What you use? Microscope. Okay. Now we got the clear idea of prefix, suffix and compound words. How to make a new words. Everything is given clearly. Follow? Then grammar exercises. I said nothing to worry about it. We'll see in the other class. Now, let me say a story to you. So, I'll take in other class clearly, but before that we'll say the thing. What's the story? Next, what I am going to take is a story. It is about a lady. Okay, she is a girl. Not lady also, she is a girl. So, now we have to go for a noun detail. So, if there is no time, I will continue in other class. This is from the 3rd unit. If I complete 3 units, will be over for you. The story of Mulan. Okay, this is the 3rd supplementary for you. Here, the heroine of the story is a small girl. She belongs to China. There was a war. Page number 88 it is. China, you know, the country which is troubling us too much. The border. The story happens in China only. It's a supplementary reader. Okay. Many years ago, China was in the problem. So, the emperor means what? Emperor is the king's king, emperor. King of all the king, emperor of China. He had ordered everyone from each house, one member must come to safeguard the country. So, what's the story I said? Every man, that is one man from each house, will come and safeguard the country. China was in middle of the war. So, to save the motherland is more than our life and mother. So, what China president said, China emperor, every house, one person must come and save the country. In all the houses, everyone, because they got the members, everyone has come forward to serve for the nation. But in the house, there is only old man and his daughter and son is there. Son is a very small boy and daughter is somewhat she has teenage girl she is. Her name is what? Mulan. Teenage means, what's the meaning of teenage? 13, 14, that words which is ending between 13 to 19 years is known as teenage. She is a teenage girl. Her name is what I said, Mulan. Hugh Mulan, H.U. Fenton. She is in this family only 3 members are there. That is father, this girl Hugh Mulan and his brother and a brother. Only 3 were there. So there is no person. To come for the war because there is no male member. Even the male member available is very old man. So there is no other go for her. So she said, the government has announced like this. The emperor announced, did you hear about it? She asked the father. Father said, yes, I heard. What to do? I have to go. Then he is trying to get up. He could not get up because of due to age. And daughter said, you nothing to worry about it. Oh, what's the daughter's name? Mulan. Mulan said, you nothing to worry about it because you have trained me like a boy. You taught me all the activities, all the martial arts, karate, kung fu, everything you taught. So you don't need to worry about it. I know to manage the enemies. I will go for the war. Father has not accepted. Immediately, he is not waiting for the father's reply. He went inside. He disguised herself. Disguise means what? Changing herself. Disguise means changing. Changing herself. She cut the long hair. She got very long hair. She cut the long hair like boy and she wore the dresses like a boy and was ready to come out. So father, on seeing the appearance, father himself could not identify whether she is a girl or boy. He said okay. She joined in the army. She fought with the men and finally she got success. China got many victories one by one. Suddenly what has happened? Everybody fell sick. The same like Mulan also fell sick. So immediately they were reported to the doctor. Who reported to the doctor? The emperor reported to the doctor to take care of the soldiers. So when the doctor came only, the fact has come out. What's the fact? She is a girl, not a boy. The fact has come out. Everybody was surprised. And the other soldiers, those who are under the control, they don't want to work with the girl. Because of a brave deed, the emperor made us the in charge of the thing, that is captain of the soldiers. So she is the captain of all the soldiers, but they are not ready to work. But in due to the advancement side of the country, there is no other go for them. So they have agreed. Some people agreed, some soldiers agreed, some soldiers may not agree. Then to the government forced them to work under her. Though she is a girl, she fought very bravely. So the China government, that is the emperor, ordered everyone has to work under her. So all joined and got a big success. The success came to China. So the emperor surprised to see that in charge, that is in charge of the team is only a lady, that too teenage lady. He was highly happy and he awarded lot of things to her. And she asked only 6 rifles and 6 horses. Rifles means what? Gun. That is the fighting and all they use, the battlefield. So battlefield, the place where they are fighting. So 6 rifles and 6 horses. He was given very happily. Then she came to a village with all the emperor rewards. All the people praised her. She is the lady who saved China. This is the story of Mulan. We'll go to the lesson. Many years ago, China was in the middle of the Great War. The middle of the Great War means what? Not the ending, not the closing. In middle, already war started. It is in the middle. The emperor said that one man from each Chinese family must leave his family to join the army. What he said? One must come out. Mulan, a teenage girl who lived in a faraway village of China, heard the news when she was outside washing the clothes. She heard the news. That time she was washing the clothes only. Mulan ran into the house. Her father was sitting in a chair, carving a piece of wood. He was doing something with the wood. She said, "Father, did you hear what emperor says each family must do?" She questioned. Did you hear that? What the emperor said? One from the family must come out to save the country. Yes, said her old father. I heard about it town. Well, I may as well as go pack up. He said, okay, I am ready to go. I have to pack up myself. Pack up means what? Getting ready. He put down his carving. Pack up means getting ready. I put down his carving, stood up and walked very slowly to his room. He was walking very slowly, could not walk fast because of age. Then immediately what Mulan said? Wait, father, you have not been well. If you may so, why at your age must you keep up with all those young men? Then she said, you are the old age, others are young men, what you will do with them? What else can be done? Said her father. Then father asked, okay, I am getting old, there is no other male member in the family. What am I to do? Your brother is a child, he cannot go. So Mulan said immediately, of course, that is true. He is too little, but I have an idea. She poured the father a cup of tea and handed to him. She gave the tea and said, have some tea. Please wait, please sit for a minute. I will be right back. So have the tea and wait here itself. I will be back within 2 minutes. Then Mulan went into her room with a sword. She cut off her long black hair. She put on her father's robe. Going back to her father, Mulan said, look at me. I am your son now. I will go in your place. I will do my part for China. What she said, you no need to worry about. I am your son. So I will go for fight. So the father said, no, my daughter. Said the old man, you cannot do this. Then she said, she begged the father, father, listen please. For years you trained me in Kung Fu. She knows all the martial arts. Martial arts, that is Kung Fu, Karate, this and all comes under martial arts. You showed me how to use the sword. Sword, you know, knife. Mulan swung the sword back and forth with might. She took the sword out and then again put it inside. Only so that you could stay safe, said her father. She said, better you be safe with your son. I will be back. Huh? I never meant for you to go for war. If they find out you are a woman, you know as well as I that you will die. Then father, what he said, suppose if they are finding out the truth, you are not a man, you are a woman, they will kill you as well as they will kill me also. She said, no, no one will find out, father, said Mulan, and she picked up her sword. Mulan's father is going on shouting, she is not at all listening, she went to the thing. The daughter kissed him goodbye. I love you, father, she said, take care of yourself and tell my brother to goodbye. She climbed on a family horse and off she went to join the emperor's army. She went by the horse and joined in the army. In the army, Mulan proved to be a brave soldier. In time she was put in charge of other soldiers. Because of her braveness, she was the in charge. Her battle went so well and that she was put in charge of more soldiers. First on little members, then almost all the soldiers were under control. Her battle kept on going well. After few years, this fighting was so many years it prolonged. After few years, Mulan was given the top job that she would be the general of entire army. Now she started her career as a soldier. Now she is in charge of the entire army. Let me continue in other class, children. Thank you.